afternoon, Vietnam. Let's go, baby. We're up on the day. Finally, we're finally up on the day. Oh, it's beauty. It's beauty to see the shorts burning a slow death, and it's not even started yet. Okay, there's much. You guys know today is going to be fucking insane. We got the Russell going on, Russell reconstitution. They're adding today after hours. We've also got huge news. All right, for the only day that I missed, the one day that we missed the open stream. It's been like it's probably one of the worst days to miss. Okay, we've got some new filings. We've got two, and we've got I just looked at this not 2 minutes ago, but this is fucking huge. Okay, now there's only 20 people in here right now, so I'll just go ahead and give it to you. All right, we have a new bioinformatics scientist listing here, and guess what? One of their primary duties and responsibilities. Hold on. Wait, where does it say? Wait, okay, here we go. Preferred skills and abilities, dude. Look at this. This is evidence for nanonozzle. Okay, make up your own decision. I'm gonna say this in the video. I'm gonna say right now. I'm just gonna give you a little sneak peek of what the videos tonight's gonna be. But this is evidence. I think this is evidence. I think this is huge. Okay, listen to this. They're hiring somebody with experience with next generation sequencing and long read sequencing technologies. Why do you think that is? We don't do sequencing, dude. We do optical genome mapping. This is nanonozzle evidence. It's coming. I don't know when, but they're working on it. They've been working on it for a long time. They've got the people for it, and they're just now, this is a new list. This is 5 hours ago. 5 hours ago, man. Get it through the head. We're getting nanonozzle coming out, baby. We're going to places the analysts don't even know, man. We're up 4% right now. Oh, man. I mean, that gets me excited. Okay, I don't want to overhype it. We're going to be talking about this more in the video, but dude, this is evidence. Okay, I also want to go over this one right here. Okay, software quality engineer, bioinformatics. What does this sound like? What does this sound like, man? It's nanonozzle. That's what it is. That's what it is, man. So, all right, let's go to the price action though. And we've got other news, of course. We got the Russell happening today. And we've got this thing, which I'm a little bit confused about. Somebody feel free to explain to me what the hell is going on here, okay? Lineage made the decision to move to NX Clinical. What the and then you click on it, and it's a presentation that happened on June 27th. It's like, what is going on here? So, I don't know. So, utilizing NX Clinical for CNV detection using standard of care testing and postnatal specimens. What do you mean move to NX? I'm confused by the wording here. Why does it say move to NX Clinical? It should say made the decision to use NX Clinical. So I don't know. I don't know. You guys understand this better than me, and I just looked at this, 5 minutes ago. So yeah, but right now, woo, baby, we're up. We're almost 4% right now, baby. Let's go. So yeah, let's go. It is. You should. This is massive. I know. It is massive, man. It is. I don't want. Okay, sure. Say I'm pumping. Whatever. Okay, whatever the shit the Bears are gonna say. All right, you can't make this up. This is a job. I mean, you can go find this yourself. All right, let me go back up here. 5 hours ago, man. Not that. That's the wrong week, Brandon. Come on. Let's try it again. 5 hours ago, right here. Bioinformatics scientist, man. It's new. All right, why else do you think that they are hiring somebody with preferred experience with next generation sequencing and sequencing technologies? Dude, we don't do sequencing. The only reason why they would want to do this is for innovation and new products in the sequencing field, which we know, based on the 2016 patent, they already have tried. They already paid a one-time fee, according to a very good source. Very good source, the best source you can get. One-time fee to get an option, to partly get an option to actually have the right, if they exercise this option or utilize it or whatever, get the option to bloody make and get the rights to make products and services solely in the sequencing field. That's a quote. So if you put all this stuff together, or if you just watch the nanonozzle video that I have in the Must Know BNGO information playlist, it's simple, okay? Screw the revenue, okay, this stuff, don't screw it, okay? This is good stuff here that we're talking about, the revenue, prenatal, Sapphire 2.0, whatever, yada, yada. Okay, nanonozzle is better than all that. Okay, that's as simple as it gets. It's better. I recommend, if you don't know what I'm talking about, you're like, Brandon, you sound like a madman right now. I know that's true, but dude, you need to research this, because this is the #1 reason why most of us are invested in Bionano. Okay, that's the number. I mean, maybe not the #1, maybe the #2 reason, right? #1 is because the Sapphire does what it does, best in the world, better, no one else can compare. But that's #2. That's #2 right there, man. And this is 5 hours ago. 5 hours ago, new posting, next generation sequencing experience. That's what they're hiring. Okay, why? What do you think? Okay, what do you think, dipshit? It's nanonozzle, bro. It's nanonozzle. Come on, man. It's nanonozzle. But yeah, it's gonna be insane. This is gonna be. Hopefully, this is gonna be a great close. 2:14 right now. We got what 40. Can't do math. Sorry, 46 minutes, I think, till the close. Russell is adding today, man. Today, the Russell is going on. It's adding today. All right, simple as it gets. 744 right now, up 4%, outperforming all of high growth almost. Okay, name me some other stock that's outperforming Bionano. Okay, you have to be very cherry picky to do that. All right, let's look at the genomics sector. What's going on today? Freaking outperforming, freaking beauty. That's what's happening. All right, we're literally number one. Bionano kicking Illumina's ass, kicking Pat Bio's ass. Okay, that's as simple as it gets. That's what you want to see. High growth in Nasdaq, broader markets. They're not even doing much today, but Bionano, it's doing what it should. It's doing what it should. And we also got an article. Where was the bullish article? Hold on. Where's the link? Somebody send me the link to the bullish article. Where is it? Where is it? The investor place one? Where was it? There was an investor place. Here it is. All right. Here it is. Here's the article right here. So this was today. And this is apparently a bullish article. So geographic expansion enables healthy diagnosis for Bionano Genomics. Of course, this is investor place, the shit place, right? Most of these now don't let it make you think, there's plenty of crap out there, okay? Don't get me wrong, but some of these are good. Some of these are good articles, actually, and believe it or not, also look at the freaking level 2 data right here, boys. Look at the level 2 data. Oh, yeah, and also the number one most important thing today, probably, the short interest barely moved today. Look at this. Look at this, man. Look at this. We're still at 49.83 million, and we're up 3% on the day. We have Russell reconstitution happening in less than an hour. Oh, they are playing it. They're risky. They're risking their asses right now, man. If they get screwed, I'm telling you guys, no one believes me because I've been wrong. I mean, I haven't been wrong necessarily, but a lot of people probably think I have been wrong on my short squeeze thesis. But dude, I'm telling you, if they don't push this shit lower, they're fucked. That's as simple as it gets, okay? If you don't like the language, if you get offended, it's not the place for you, all right? That's as simple as it gets. I got to be frank with you there. We're going to go to the moon, all right? We're going to, and here's the reason why. Let me show you, okay? Let me show you. If we go to the short bar right here. Oh, man. This is beauty. This is beauty today. Look at this, all right? Short bar. What the hell? What is this? What? Okay, I promise you, I did not know about this. Look at this. I already know for a fact it's a hard to borrow security on Webull. All right, now look at this shit. 9% short borrow fee rate. What the heck is it? And this shows you, based on Fintel's data, it's getting harder to borrow. Right? What does this mean? Now, of course, Oxygen, they're going to... Okay, guess what? It doesn't matter that much. This is why it doesn't matter that much. Bionano has gone up by and large. Bionano is going up by, right? You can make, if you want to make the case, Brandon, a ton of stocks, their short bar rate, it goes up and nothing happens. Here's the difference, okay? Not only is the short interest really high, but the short interest and the short bar rate has increased with the price increasing. That's as simple as it gets, man. You can't get a squeeze unless the price goes up, and we've already had the first run up. The short interest has only increased since 4:30. And when I say increased, I should really say freaking dramatically increased, because that's what it's done. That's exactly what it's done. We're almost at 50 million. 50 million. Look at the utilization. Look at this. Look at this. Wasn't this 94% last we checked, right? If I'm not mistaken, days to cover is increased by and large. Okay, yeah, look at this. Utilization rate. It's very high. The higher this is, the less short, the harder it is for shorts to actually get more shares. All right, simple as it gets. That's what you want to see. That's what you want to see. I'm not saying we're going to squeeze. Please make your own decision. Please sell right now if you don't know what you're doing. But please understand what will happen if the bull case scenario comes into fruition, okay? Make your own decision, but I will say if the high growth gives us a chance, even if it doesn't, we're going up. We're going up. I think we are. Okay, make your own damn decisions. But I think I like the setup. Also, speaking of setup, okay, we just broke out of the freaking wedge. Finally, we broke out of the descending level resistance we were getting rejected at earlier. We got our freaking our break. We got our breakout. Confirmed breakout. The price target is $8. Actually, the price starts even higher. Now let's draw it up real quick. Okay. Probably about right there. Let's try that again. Okay, boom. Right there. All right, A71, dude. A71. All right, I'm not making that up. That's how you draw up a price. Look at all the freaking shares being bought at the ask. How many shares being bought does it take to go up 1 cent? Look at that. So much green. What is that? 10,000 shares being bought at the ask right there. 745, 746. Do we have a buy side imbalance here? No imbalance. That was from today, and then the closing is going to be from yesterday. Interesting how it always is, huh? Yeah, very interesting, okay? Market manipulation. Shorts, manipulators, suits, weenie babies. Yes, okay, simple as it gets. Simple as it gets, man. If anyone just getting in right now, we have nano nozzle evidence I would call it that. And I'm going to make a detailed video on this later today when I actually look through this more. I looked at this not 5 minutes ago, I promise. Okay, well, probably like 10 minutes now ago now, but whatever. Right before literally 1 minute before the stream started, I looked at the news, and this is what we got. New bioinformatics scientist posted 5 hours ago. 5 hours ago. Why is this important, Brandon? It's just another hiring. What the hell, Brandon? What are you getting so mad about? Why are you screaming, man? Dude, look at this. Experience with NGS and long-read sequencing technologies. Why else would they be hiring someone that they want? Why else would they want somebody with a sequencing experience? Because they're making a sequencing product. It all makes sense. 2016, they have the right to exercise an option that would give them the right to make products solely in the sequencing field. Simple as it gets. Simple as it gets. Tell me the nanonails wasn't real after that. All right, tell me. Also, not even as if that wasn't enough. Not to mention the freaking where was it? We had another one that was 1 day ago, right here. Software quality engineer, bioinformatics. Okay, if you go down here, what is it? I haven't even read this yet. Look at this. Look at this. SNV, or okay, that's SVN. Sorry, I thought that was SNV. I haven't actually looked at this yet. If you hadn't already if you couldn't tell that already, okay. But look at this. Software testing of genomic algorithms, dude. This is the hirings and the listings here. It all makes sense. It all makes sense now, dude. They are hiring the team in order to manufacture and produce the intellectual property for something freaking awesome. They've been working on it for years. They've probably been working on it for like 5 years now. Okay, at least partly. It's been in the back of their minds for 5 years now, and maybe more than that. Okay, hell. 2016 is the latest that I know of the mention of sequencing products and sequencing capabilities, but hell, it could go back even farther than that. So, oh man! All right, we gotta get a breath real quick. While I get a drink and take a breath, what is everybody's end of day prediction? All right, you guys know we got the Russell 3000 inclusion happening today. You heard that right, today, man. Simple as it gets. $8.10. 8.10, man. Woo. At the close, end of day. Why is everybody saying 8, bro? That's insanity. We would have to be up. We would have to be up like 10% or 10 to 15% for that, if I'm not mistaken. $9. Bro, y'all are bullish. I'm bullish too. I don't know if I'm that bullish though. Here's the thing, guys. Here's the thing. Here's what you have to understand. Okay, let me take this back to earth real quick. Let me calm down. Okay. Although everybody watching this stream now knows, this is crazy. Every week, I swear to God, I get more bullish on the company because we just get great stuff like this. Okay? Why else would they be hiring somebody with this freaking experience? Okay? It's because it's freaking nanonails. Okay? Can we stop playing? Can we stop messing around, guys? Come on. Nanonails, it's coming. I mean, all the evidence points to it's in the works right now. And although it might freaking only be commercially released in 2024, even if it does take years, like some people are saying, dude, it doesn't matter. It's still gonna moon. If you hold long term, you're gonna make a ton of money. Okay, and no one else. And you better bet your ass no one else knows anything about this. No one else knows. Okay, you don't see the freaking articles talking about the freaking hirings and the business expansion and the neo-also jargon. It doesn't happen, man. But you all know, and that's what I hope. I hope that's kind of the value you get from watching these. Stuff that no one else looks at, right? No one else cares about the listing. Well, name me another YouTube channel that freaking goes over the listings as much as we do. They don't care. They don't care about this shit. We're digging deep and we're finding good information because of that. I mean, that's as simple as it gets, okay? Why? I mean, they're very explicit here, okay? They're extremely explicit. Next generation sequencing, man. It coincides perfectly with all the stuff that we've been uncovering. Perfectly. Let's look at that short interest data, okay? If anyone's just getting in, we're still almost at 50 million. We also got new filings today, but I'm going to put it on the chart. I want to put it on the chart. We'll go over the news here pretty soon. We only got 30 minutes to the close. Only got 30 minutes to the close, and we weren't able to stream earlier, obviously. We got walls at 750. We got fake walls. Fake wall alert. Fake wall. 13K shares to be sold at 750. That is bullshit. You know it. You and I both know it. It's, okay, come on. Come on, man. You know this isn't real. They've had these up forever. They always have these up. It doesn't matter. It doesn't. Oh, man. The Bears are funny, aren't they? The Bears are getting desperate right now. We just had the bullish 5-minute SAR flip, Supertrend flip. We're set up to do something great in the after hours here. And right now, up to the close, powered hour run. We're set up for. Look at how many shares are being bought at 750. How many does it take? How many shares does it take for us to go up 1 cent, man? Oh, it's looking like this wall actually some of this might actually be real. Wow. I'm very surprised. Maybe. Oh, baby. Woo. $500,000 per share, end of day. Yeah, I hope so. Oh, 5,000 shares added, 750 right now. We've got walls. I'm going to be honest with you, probably most of these are fake as well on the bull side. But, I mean, the bear side, you know the bear side is fake for sure. The bull side, you know, it's iffy. It's iffy. Okay, bear side can be real, but usually it's just not. Okay, 751, there we go. Send it up, tear down these walls, tear down the damn walls. That's an order. That's an order, burn the shorts. They're still there, right? If someone's asking, you know, is short squeeze done, right? No, the short squeeze is not even start. If it is, okay, bull case, if the short squeeze is gonna happen, no, you better bet your ass it's not freaking happened yet, okay? No, it hasn't. We're at 50 million current estimated short interest. What was the short interest last update? Like 38 million, okay? 12 million more shares shorted since we've gone up, man. That's why the short squeeze is so auspicious and so likely to happen, man. And then we get this stuff. Dude, the news is look at this. All right, if anyone's just getting in there right now, I'm going to make a video going more in detail, but we just got nano nozzle evidence. Yes, you heard that right. Nano nozzle evidence. Yes, that's what I would consider this. Okay, make your own opinion. That's what I'm calling this. All right, why else would they be wanting to hire someone with next generation sequencing experience? They're making a next generation sequencing product, or at least something that has the sequencing capabilities. It all makes sense now. It already has made sense, but it just makes sense even more. The 2016 patents, go read them. Sequencing field option. I have them on the due diligence. We haven't gone over them in a while, although it's super important. My OGs know, I'm sure. Exercise an option to give them the rights to make sequencing products. That's a real thing. 752 just broke the previous high. Woo! Okay, all right, let me draw up oh, yeah, by the way, I didn't even talk about the technicals here. I was going to say, when the stream started, I was looking at this chart, and I was going to say, hey, this looks like a bull flag, okay? You have a quick run-up, and then you have consolidation, okay? And also, speaking of what's happened today, look at the volume today. Okay, 14 million, that's not good. That's not good at all. Better than yesterday, though. Certainly better than yesterday. But yeah, this is a nice setup. We do need to break, obviously, we do need to break the previous, we need to break the intraday high, and I'm also scared of something like this happening. I'm scared of that. We need to break out. We need to break out of that. Or it could, or obviously, okay, this is more likely. We already broke out of this. Okay, if we do see dippage, your entry point, there you go. Okay, your entry point's going to be around here. Time sensitive, of course, but 752 right now. 5% in the green. That's beauty. What a beautiful day, man. What a beautiful day. So many people, and this is what sucks about being a YouTuber, okay? It doesn't matter. And I know the risk. Okay, I know what it means when you're going to come out here and make predictions, okay? So many people just give up, okay? And I know there's some people, I know for a fact. Let's see if there's anyone that has the courage to admit it right now. Is there anyone that sold yesterday? Because I remember the comments, okay? I remember the people saying yesterday, you know, it just gets worse progressively every day. The hope goes down. It's because you guys haven't done the research. The people who actually lose faith day to day based on, you know, we're down on the day. Oh, no. Oh, it's not a good company. No. Do your research. Do your digging and understand stuff like this and understand why the nano nozzle is going to make understand why that's going to send this thing higher than anyone, including us, is thinking. Okay, I mean, we're talking about filling in the gaps of what current sequencing misses. Maybe. SNV detection is there. A ton of crap that we don't even know. Okay, applications are confirmed to be in the works that are not even developed by the CEO himself. 749 right now. We're seeing some selling. We're seeing some cooling down right now. Literally, there's like not even 5,000 shares sold. Of course, it takes any small amount of red, then we go down. But it doesn't matter because you know why? Russell 3000, baby. Try to freaking send us down on the Russell 3000 news, baby. We're freaking there. I mean, I'm interested to see how many shares it's going to be. I don't know. What do you guys? How many shares do you all think it's going to be today? I wouldn't be surprised if it's millions of shares added right after the close. I would not be surprised. And the volume is about to get insane here. Yeah, you better. Yeah, it is going to get insane. Absolutely, 100%. Oh man, woo, man. Yeah, we're due for a bounce, and we are still due for a bounce. Okay, let me tell you something. All right, probably some people were wondering, oh, you know, should I take profits now? Is it over? This is dead cat bounce, right? We've been going down so much. Well, let me tell you something, okay? Let's say high growth were to actually get its head out of its ass next week, okay? $8, $9. Okay, I'm serious. I seriously think those are both realistic targets. If high growth just can. Just do okay. Just do okay. Just match the markets, right? The markets are up every day, and the high growth always has never, this entire week, it has not followed suit, right? And I hope you all watched the video that was about my theory on the broader markets and the high growth disparity in valuations there. I think I like our chances for high growth getting a bounce if the NASDAQ can do anything. Even if it doesn't, even if it goes down that much, we can't underperform it that much, really. Squeezing to $15 to $20 next week. Whew, I hope so. I don't know about that. Yeah, no, I hope no one thought my squeeze target. No, if high growth does us any favors, we'll see $8 to $9. If we squeeze, we could see $12. We could see all-time highs even. Yeah, we could. If people actually understand that there actually is a squeeze potential here, yeah, we could see all-time highs. Yeah. That's bull case, and of course, a squeeze is not guaranteed to happen. It's not guaranteed by any chance, but it is. The possibility is there, and it's right. The opportunity is ours for the taking. But of course, this channel doesn't have enough views. I don't know if anyone else who's trying to get the word out on short interest, but I'm sure there's some people. We don't have enough. Not enough people know about the opportunity we have here. Not enough people, unfortunately. But nonetheless, once the fundamental analysis, if my fundamental analysis of the company is at all even close to the realm of what actually happens, it's over. They're going to get squeezed on news and on quarter two earnings. At least squeeze a little bit, right? Maybe not as violent as it would be if it was retail induced, but at least some sort of extent, right? 750 right now, almost up 5%. No. R2, we need to be going up, not down. No. 4.5%. High growth getting. Imagine how high it would be if high growth is doing well. Whew. BlackBerry's down 5%. Ooh, that's painful. AMC, a lot of stuff's getting killed today. I haven't looked at the chart, guys. I have not looked at the freaking. I looked at this. I looked at Bionano earlier in the day at like 12. I chatted on the Discord. Besides that, I have not even actually checked the price at all today. 747. All right, here we go. Got to confirm this level. Hopefully, we get a bounce right here. Hopefully, we get a bounce. We're still in bullish territory. Yeah, I would like to get a bounce right here. 747. Fair amount of shares being sold at the bid right there. Okay. Fair enough. And let me know if there's other news that we missed today. I have not even looked at it all. Look at that borrow fee rate. Literally doubled. The short borrow fee rate literally doubled in the last day almost. That's insanity, man. That's insanity. All right. Have they added yet? Oh, who is selling? I want to smack these people in the face. Who is selling right now, man? This damn market manipulator selling synthetic shares. Better bet your ass. Yeah, I'm serious. No, I'm not kidding. What was I going to say? No, Russell 3000, they have not added their shares yet. No. The adding and the buying of BNGO shares by the Russell 3000 and at least most of the funds that track it has not happened yet. Not at all. All right. SPC to the moon. Yeah, up 40% of the day. I know. We got 28 minutes till the close here. Short interest is almost the same. It's still extremely high. We've got nano-nozzle evidence. We've got new filings. Let's go ahead and, and we got a new article. And we got this thing. Oh, this as well. But hold on, let me also go to Twitter. We also have a new presentation. And we have two presentations happening next week on the 29th and 30th. Two presentations of Bionano. I don't think I'm going to stream those because they're really boring. So I don't actually think we're going to. but yeah, we have a new one as well. This one is July 2nd to 4th. BGCI conference. That sounds good. I don't know. Let's see. Presenting next generation cytogenetics using Bionano optical mapping. Scientific director, cytogenetics and molecular pathology, Legacy Health. Interesting. Okay. Acute leukemia. Could be good, could be nothing. Usually they're nothing, right? But it is what it is. We got 27 minutes at the close. Russell, they're going to be buying probably millions. I think it's going to be millions of shares. We'll see. Dart pool sleight of hand, institutional high flow after hours. $25 next week. What is all these? What are all of these insanely bullish predictions? I'm with you guys, but I'm not like $10 next week, $20 next week. I don't know about that. I mean, I hope you're right. I really do. I hope you're right. If anyone's just getting in here right now, right? If we have any new viewers, which I'm sure we do not have any new viewers. If you're new, please tell me so I feel good about the channel. But we have 100% of the portfolio in Bionano, as simple as it gets. I'm also not getting a haircut or shaving my beard until BNGO hits all-time highs and $10 for the beard. And that is serious. I've made videos on that. I've made polls. I've made commitments to you. And that's what's going to happen. You guys think I'm messing around? Nope. I'm crazy enough and insane enough to do that. So next you see, a couple months from now, if you're new, if you don't want to keep up with the channel because my big ass forehead, just come back in a year if Bionano sucks and I'm wrong, and then you'll see my hair come literally down to my freaking shoulder or longer. So yeah, is this a triple top? No, not really. No. And what I was scared about, what I was scared about looks like it happened. Dang it. Yeah, something like this right here. Yeah, dang it. No, it's not a triple top. It's just a descending resistance, which is fine, which is absolutely fine. Hey, remember, guys, consolidation in a bullish chart pattern when you're on the way up, by and large, is bullish. Consolidation in a bear trend is bearish. Simple as it gets. And right now, what are we in? Okay, short term, obviously, we're in a bullish price action. On the daily, macroscopically, yeah, dude, we're on the way up. We're making higher highs. Kind of, okay, not since the 8th, but still, we're making higher lows. We're still, by and large, we're still going up. Look how many shares it takes. Look at this, okay? This is why it's so funny. Look at this, okay? What, 5,000, about 13,000, 12,000-ish shares bought at 747 there, and we don't even go up 1 cent. And this is the pattern that we see, and this is why you know there's shorts and manipulators working, because this just continually happens. And, of course, there's dark pool volume, but you can't tell me that dark pool volume is consistently always selling. No. Although the dark pool although they're more likely to be manipulators there, and there are manipulators there, it's not all selling all the time, and it really is crazy that it always takes more shares being bought at the ask to move it up than shares being sold at the bid, and then it just goes down 10 cents and 30 cents. It's insane. Oh man. Oh, here comes Marco. Marco's back. Oh man, that was me buying almost 8,000 shares on the tick a few minutes ago. That was you, my friend? That's awesome. Hold on, let me go down there. That's you right there. 15, 33, 55, 747, 7,950. That's awesome. Hashtag mute Marco. I will if he gets annoying. There are many news on different diseases related to BNGO. Guess that the sapphire gives a way to cure a serious disease is going to be hitting like a jackpot. Yeah, you're damn right it is, and it will. You better bet your ass it will. Yeah, there's another Fintel. There's some new filings today. Yeah, we have a few new filings today on Fintel here. Here, let me go. Here, let me just. Well, we got a ton of good news today. I got to keep all these tabs open. This is all important news. But yeah, we did get the institutional ownership actually went down, and I think they actually fixed these. Yeah, so earlier we were talking about them having the wrong share price. It looks like they fixed those. Although I'm still confused. Somebody told me the institutional ownership was 15.80 2 days ago. I thought it was like 15.50. So if somebody could confirm that right now, and then I'll be able to tell you for sure if it's increased or decreased. But it should have increased, right? Obviously. Okay, we have green rows, which these are new positions, right? That's why there's no share change percentage. It's because there was no shares before. These are their first shares. This is a new open position. So, and look at that, okay, 200,000, 200,000, 26,000, 12,000, and this one was today. And the average, look at the average share price here too. And let's actually look at the filing at the effective date here. April 30th. April 30th, they added at $11. And as of now, 2 hour hours, they're still holding 12,000 shares. So, take it for what it is. Take it for what it is. Bullish, slightly, very, very slightly. Okay, I'm not going to claim we're going to go up because an institutional filing that was on April. No, absolutely not. But, take it for what it is. Take it for what it is. All right, buyout offer at 40 plus TXG. I hope so for Bionano. Making a bid for Bionano. I hope so. I don't know how realistic that is, but buying is coming in. A little bit of sporadic buying right here. Are we barcoding again? Oh my gosh, look at this. On a day like this that we're doing so good, we're literally barcoding. Damn it. On the 5 minute doesn't look too bad. The 5 minute, you can't really tell that you're barcoding too much. That's why I actually keep it on the 5 minutes to just help myself forget about the damn barcoding that's always going on. Manipulation. Yep. High short volume can mean trouble if they know something we do not, but it could also be for accumulation. Well, the short volume is very misleading. You got to be careful when you look at the short volume and understand the difference of short interest. Short interest is how many short shares are actually still out there. Short volume is just the amount of shares that have been traded in a short way, meaning new positions or covering. So short volume is very hard to gauge whether it's actually bullish or bearish. Very hard to. That's why we actually use Ortiz is way easier and way better to use. And it's just way better. Way more. I don't know. Okay, accuracy, sometimes it's wrong, right? You can't estimate the short interest every day. It's very hard. They only get their information from about 85% of exchanges. And, of course, dart pools, manipulators, we have no idea. But this is about the best you can get. Short volume is not very easy to gauge whether it's bullish or bearish, if you know what I mean, for short volumes. 745 right now, we're up 420%. All right, oxygen closes green. It'll be how much do you think that the price will go up when we get added to the Russell? No idea. I don't really. It should definitely go up. When there's way more shares that are legitimately going to be bought, the basic rules of supply and demand, the stock price has to go up. It has to. So it should go up a fair amount, and it should go up a fair amount at the close. Now, of course, technically, but at the end of the day, yeah, it should go up, but I don't know by how much. It should be millions of shares being added at least, because to my understanding, somebody tell me if you know for sure, you might know more than me. The Russell 3000, it adds by market cap. So it adds, so Bionano will not be, it's only 2 billion market cap. It's not huge, but it's bigger than a lot of the other ones, I would say. And so yeah, there should be a fair amount of adding going on. Yeah. Heard from Mark lately. Mark is Newsweek, my friend. That's Mark right there. Oxygen is a major scam. I don't know. All right. It would only go up 2% with Russell. Yeah, we'll see. I don't know. We'll see. It's going to be crazy volume. Yeah, Newsweek is Mark. Yeah. Make sure you guys are live on the stream. It would suck if you were 5 minutes late and we were going crazy over the Russell, and then you see it like at 30 minutes after the close or some shit. All right, 740. We got buy walls everywhere. Okay, probably fake. A lot of these are probably fake, but we've got buy walls. It's about time for the whales to come out. If you're a new viewer here or new to Bionano and you don't know, whales like to come out about 10 to 15 minutes before the close, and they like to freaking put a ton of orders in that are not actually real. They never are. God, this barcoding sucks. Are we still in bullish territory? I think we are. Yeah, we're still in bullish territory in the 5 minute. Yes, sir. All right, good. As long as we're in bullish territory here, we still have a chance to make a nice power hour push. And we also, obviously, we need to break above this descending level of resistance. Okay. All right. Once again, please join the... What? All right. Should I buy more? I am already down 98K. Already down 98K? Well, if you have that much in the stock, you should already know what you're doing. You shouldn't have to ask me. But I'll just say this. We are likely to, I think we'll probably go up with the Russell edition, probably. I mean, there's a very high chance that we will. It would be very suspicious if we didn't. And that's going to happen in 20 minutes. Also, we just got nano nozzle evidence, and if you don't know what nano nozzle evidence is, go watch the channel, go watch the videos, go invest in my channel, and go watch the freaking introduction to nano nozzles. It's like a 10-minute video, okay? It explains to you why Bionano is going to moon almost 100%. I mean, it will 100% moon if they are doing what we think they are, which all the evidence suggests they are. Patents 2016, a ton of other things too. Okay, patent in last month even. Okay, May 24th, a month ago. Patents about nano nozzle. They've got the experience, they've got the hiring, they got the listing. They've been working on it for years, and it's realistic that they've actually been doing this, and it's realistic that this is going to come out. Once this does come out, it's absolutely over. And what this evidence is that I'm looking at right now is a job listing posted 5 hours ago. Okay, I bet you didn't know about this before. You're welcome now. The bioinformatics scientist has one of the things that they need to have is experience with next-generation sequencing and long-read sequencing technologies. Why do you think they need experience with sequencing technologies? Because they're making a product in the sequencing field, and also it would coincide perfectly with all the other patents and all the other evidence that we have, specifically speaking of the 2016 patent that gives them the right to make sequencing products if they were to exercise that option. So, there you go. Simple as it gets. 742 right now, cooling off right now. We are making higher highs, though, roughly, okay? Or not higher highs, higher lows. Sorry, we're making lower. Technically, we're making lower highs, right? But 17 minutes of the close. 3% in today. Prediction. Nothing to get excited about. Hold. Yeah, I want to. Yeah, I'm gonna. We need all hold. Well, make your own decision. Obviously, risk tolerances, goals, okay, yada yada. Yeah, but if most people hold and high growth does what I think it's going to these next few weeks, yeah. We're gonna do very well. I think you're gonna be glad you held. But if you don't understand the risks of holding, you need to get the hell out of here. This is not the place for you. When you're buying Bionano stock or hodling it right now, it's a war with the manipulators. You're getting into a battle that's already been ongoing for months long, and you're a part of that fight. Whether or not you realize that you're in a battle right now, currently, Kate, say whatever you want about the fundamentals. Right, the fundamentals is why we're investing in this company. But right now, until we get great news, I mean, we get great news every week. But until the fundamentals actually start prevailing here, which they will 100%, in my opinion, it's a freaking battle between the shorts, manipulators, and us. That's what it is. Did you watch Troy? No, I watched about 5 minutes of it. Well, no, I watched about 15 minutes of it. If you sell now, that is why no one will remember your name. Brandon, would you buy my DD if I made it 750-page hardcover on Amazon? I would no. BNGO and CTXR are fighting the same fight. And look at this, okay? Look how much we've just gone down here, about what? Almost 10 cents here. There's no selling. There's no selling going on at all. Okay, look at this, okay? Oh, Brandon, that's a lot of selling. No, it's not. That's like not even 10,000 shares, okay? We got 10,000 shares bought like 750, and we don't even go up there from there. It's like, oh my gosh, if you don't think there's manipulation going on in here, I don't know what to tell you. I mean, I don't have any like hard evidence proof that would hold up in a court of law, but, you know, I can do the spiel if you want to, but it's pretty damn clear if you ask me. All right, Newsweed holds on. By the way, if anyone doesn't know Newsweed in the live chat right now, that man's name is Mark, and he holds 1 million BNGO shares. We just did the interview with him, 2 or 3 days ago now, and you can find that on the channel. It's pretty damn easy to see. That man's got $7 million in BNGO right now. Did the short interest go up again? No, it's about the same. It's about the same. Slightly decreasing, down about almost 1%. Still almost 50 million. All right, big funds only buy pre and post market. They get special pricing, aka discount. Beyond the Beach, Immortality, Take It's Yours, Achilles, Troy, the movie. I like that Sean Bean is in there. Sean Bean's a legend, right? You gotta love Sean Bean. He dies in everything. I'm guessing he dies in Troy as well. I only have 10K shares. That's about 9K more than me. If we have anyone new here, there's the entire portfolio. There's the entire history and everything. There you go. Yada, yada. Boom. Because I got diamond balls and I know how to take the storms. Yeah, hell yeah. I'm going to be Newsweed one day because I got diamond balls and know how to take the storms. Yeah, exactly. That's what you need. If you want to be a millionaire, if you want to make money in stock market, you have to have diamond balls and diamond hands. Okay, but on a serious note, you have to have diamond hands. Even the greatest investors of all time, sometimes they're in the red and they have to hold through. Okay, that's what I mean. Does that mean you necessarily hold any stock that you picked up just because you're in the red? No, of course not. But once you do your research, okay, look at this. Perfect example. 10,000 shares. Bought at 743. What does the price do? Well, let's see. Okay, it should be going up maybe. All right, we're seeing so much buying. Maybe we should go up and not dump to the downside. Usually, you see it takes, I don't know, we're still getting buying coming in. Okay, there you go. Up 1 cent now. Oh my gosh. Another 10,000 order at 744. Still struggling to go up. It's just, it's mind-boggling, but it's, you know, it's whatever. Okay, short-term, mid-term. The mid-term, long-term, it does not matter what we're doing on a day-to-day basis. Okay, it really does not matter. Oh my God, see, look at this. The first selling that we see instantly goes down. Instantly. It's like this is not even 1/4 of the amount of shares that we just had bought right there. Now we go down again. It's like, oh man, I'm not even going to. Auspicious has platinum balls. Kathy sold all her Virgin Galactic stuff right before it goes up. No, the Russell is going to be after the close, to my understanding. The newly reconstituted indexes take effect after the market close on June 25th. Right now, today. It's 13 minutes. The whales are not here yet. For some reason, the whales are not here. For anyone just getting in here right now, I recommend you stay with the stream because we actually ordered us to watch the video later tonight, of course, easily. Okay, you definitely want to do that because today is going to be one of the biggest news updates we have had in a while, I think, because we got presentation, we got Lineagen doing something, we got an article, we got this thing, we got the filings. And we've got the short bar rate, and the actual biggest thing is that we've got evidence for nano nozzle, and we can get into that after the close. Right now, we've got 10 minutes of trading left, so I'm going to leave it here. BNGO Newsweek, auspicious t-shirts, legendary interview t-shirts free. What the? Look at this. It's so bullshit. Anytime they're selling at all, it's just boom, and then it takes like double the buying pressure right there. It does not even go up. It's like, oh, it's so frustrating. It's fine, though. It's fine. We're up 3%. You can't complain. We're doing fine. 3% right now. We obviously, between me and you, we got nano nozzle evidence today. We got quarter two earnings coming up that are likely going to freaking blow the estimates out of the freaking park. It's not looking too bad. The only thing that can screw by on NO for short term is manipulators or the broader markets correcting, in my opinion, I would say. All right. Newsweek, you don't have to do that, my friend. My friend, you don't need to do that. It's fine, my friend. I appreciate that a lot. You don't have to do that. I can do that. I keep meaning to make shirts. I'm actually wearing, what do you call it? Okay. I'm actually wearing the one shirt that I think I've got I don't think I've got any sales for it, but yeah. I do want to make BNGO shares and shirts, not shares, and Fellowship of Sapphire stuff. I will do that eventually. Yeah. All right, Brandon, I have a big brain idea. What if everyone in the chat spams Wall Street Bets homepage with saying BNGO 100 times each day? Well, we don't want to be spammers or bots, but we do want to increase the knowledge of BNGO, and I do recommend everybody goes and posts to Wall Street Bets as much as they can. But it's got to be good info. It can't be bot-like, and you got to be innocuous, right? You got to be nice. Just think of it this way, okay? You got to be nice to the AMC apes. Just be nice to the apes and tell them about BNGO. Yeah, that's what we do. All right. The Russell 3000 is buying after the close. After the close, everybody. Oh, wow. 30,000 shares just sold right there. Damn. We did just have a ton of buying right there, but dang. That's a lot. That's the biggest order we've seen so far on this stream. All right. What the heck? Do you have NNDM stock? No, my whole portfolio is right here. If we have any new viewers in here, which I don't think we do, but if we did, just hypothetically, fantasy scenario, as if Brandon was getting new viewers, that is the entire portfolio. That is 100% of the portfolio. Bionano is 100% of the portfolio. 1,700 shares right there. And I'm going to be getting a ton. And you guys think I'm joking? No, I don't think anyone believes me. I'm serious when I say I will YOLO and buy BNGO. I will buy thousands of BNGO shares in a YOLO live on a stream if the channel does well. And it doesn't have to do well. It's not like we need 100K subscribers. No, we just need to do well. We just need to do well, and I will make that happen. Purchase in progress from Russell incoming. Yeah, it is. Yeah, it is. Incoming, boys. We got 9 minutes. This is crazy. I'm excited. Are you guys excited? This could be, K, this could be 5% in the green after hours. This could be 1%. This could be nothing, K. There's a lot of freaking, K, manipulators. K, with the manipulators on board, there's any possibilities you want. So, oh, man. But, yeah, we got a 25K buy wall, 743. I love to see it. It's a beauty. We got a sea of freaking green. Beautiful. Short interest is nearly the same. We got filings. We got crazy news today. And we got nano nozzle evidence, man. Simple as it gets. The shorts have not been squeezed yet, baby. I'm telling you, the squeeze has not even started yet. Okay, if we do get a squeeze, if there is going to be a squeeze, this is not it. I promise. That's what I can guarantee you. If there's going to be a squeeze, it has not even fucking started yet, man. All right. It wants to call in on stream. What? Why? We got 5 minutes left. What could you possibly want to call me about? All right, man. Here we go. Here we go. Dart pull sleight of hand in 3, 2, 1. TXG takeout bid. Is that going to happen, Kevin? Huh? What do you think? Purchase is in progress right now, guys. Well, it's gonna be happening in the after hours, to my understanding. So, but yeah, here we go. We got 8 minutes. 8 minutes. We'll see what happens. Right now, we're up 4%. The volume is pretty shitty today. Okay, we're looking at 16 million volume in the day. A 3-month average is 23, so pretty shitty. But it's about to fix. Okay, it's about to get fixed. Oh my God, here we go. The volume's starting to pick up now. Woo, baby, it's getting a little more heated now. It's getting a little more heated. Here we go. Squeeze coming, but you buy on ends. I don't know about that, Kate. I read that's not me saying. Well, I think there is a possibility. I think it is incoming. If I honestly, Kate, can I tell you my real opinion, Kate? Don't get mad at me if this doesn't happen. Make your own damn decisions. Sell if you don't understand what you're doing. But if high growth gives us the chance, yeah, we're gonna squeeze. It's going to happen. I think it's gonna happen. We have all the ingredients. We have everything we need. We have everything we need, and then some. And we already should have done. We already our fundamental value. And here's what makes the squeeze so likely to happen. The more people that realize that there is a squeeze potential, and then they see that we're fundamentally undervalued when they do their research, there you go. Okay, there's very few other stocks that you can actually say that with and actually be for real. 7 minutes of the close, buying pressure still coming in, getting a little bit of both, a little bit buying and sell. Ooh, that was scary. There's nothing that scares me more than just sporadic selling at the bid. Oh, woo! Here we go. Oh yeah, and we got the acquisition evidence as well. We got acquisition evidence. We got a new CLI lab, nano nozzle evidence, FDA approval, speculation and evidence. Maybe K. Make your own opinions, make your own decisions. And we have what else do we have? God, what else am I forgetting? We kind of have radio silence from Eric as well. So I don't know. The elves and dwarves are with us. I'm Aragon. If we're gonna do Lord of the Rings, I'm Aragon. I call Aragon. I'm Aragon, baby. No, the inclusion is today. To my understanding, it is today. If you look at the FTSE Russell website, russell.com, the most reliable source you can essentially get, they're taking effect today after the close. The newly reconstituted indexes will take effect after the close on June 25th, which is today. I will go over nano nozzle. I will go over the evidence on it right after the close. How about that? Well, I mean, the after hours might get insane, so maybe we can't. But we will definitely go over the nano nozzle evidence in today's video. That's damn sure. Because it's insanity, and it is evidence and proof that Bionano is fundamentally undervalued. You heard that correctly. Anything under $10 is a steal long term, in my opinion. Anyone just getting in right now, it's 100% of my portfolio, mainly for that reason. Look at the sporadic movement. We're actually getting actual movements here. Let me put the 5-minute chart looks. The 1-minute chart looks so ugly. I'm gonna keep it on the 5-minute. Yeah, I'm just gonna keep it right here. I'm gonna keep it simple for you. God, it's so. Look at the volume too. Look at the volume, by the way. Biggest 5-minute volume candle that we've had since the open. Well, actually, yeah, even more since right here. And it's not even done yet. It's almost done. We're heading into the last 5-minute candle. 5 minutes left, almost. God, here we go. 750. Oh, baby. Here we go. Hammer candle formed. Doji, then we got a huge candle, then we got a hammer. That's as bullish as it gets. Now we need to break above this descending level of resistance. There we go. 752, 753, baby. Oh, I'm going to break my chair on stream. This is going to be funny. We need to hold above this descending level of resistance right here. We need to get a confirmed breakout right here, man. Oh, we got everything we need. We got so much news today. If people understood what the nano-nozzle evidence was today, we would be at $10 a share right now, man. I swear to God, I'm serious when I say that. I'm serious when I say that. It's not that today's news is that big. It's that the knowledge of the nano-nozzle possibility should send this thing way higher. 10,000 shares is bought at the ask. 751, baby. Here we go. Come on, boys. 4 minutes left. Here we go, baby. Here we go. What's it going to be? There we go. 753 just broke the previous high. We're above the freaking decent and lower resistance. 5% in the green right now, baby. Look at the volume. Look at the beauty. Look at that beautiful volume coming in, man. We need to hold above this. After hours could get pretty freaking spicy if we can confirm the breakout here. Come on. Come on, boys. We can do it. Come on. Buy at the ask if you want. Should we all buy? Do you guys want me to buy one share live? Of course you do. You probably want me to. Should I lead the charge? Should I lead by example? Buy one share at the ask here? Drugs. Diamond balls, diamond hands. That's right. Diamond balls, diamond hands, baby. Exactly. Exactly. Here we go. Here we go. 11,000 shares in the white right there. We don't actually know what that means. 5% in the green. 5% in the green right now, and this is without high growth. Remember, this is without high growth doing well. Nano division getting killed. Microvision getting killed. Everything's getting killed. Bionano outperforming an insane amount. That's beauty. That's beauty right there, man. Simple as it gets. Oh, here we go, man. We got wicks to the downside and upside, selling and buying. We got buying pressure and selling pressure right here. 3 minutes. 3 minutes. What does everybody think? Are we going to be good? 1.5 million shares bought. I honestly think it's going to be more than that. I think honestly, if I'm giving you my true honest opinion, I think it's going to be millions of shares bought right here, right in 2 minutes here. I could be way off. But based on the MSCI index edition that we had on May 25th last month, right, exactly 1 month earlier, and based on the Russell 3000 reconstitution rules, to my understanding, I think we're going to get a pretty huge buy here. I don't know what the price is going to do. I'm not claiming that the price is going to go up another % or 5%, but I think we're going to get a ton of buys here. 3.7 mil, 5 million, 10 million. Whew, I think 3 to 5 million is pretty likely. I mean, it could be 10 million. I don't see it being more than 10 million shares at the close. That might be a little bit unrealistic. Maybe. Now, in total, adding in what we get next week with the funds tracking, and remember, this is something that no one understands. It's not only the funds, it's not only the Russell 3000 that's buying BNGO. It's all the funds that track the Russell 3000 as well. So what does that mean? It means more freaking buying. Okay, that's this ape language. More. It means tons of funds. Okay, maybe not tons, but several funds are going to be buying BNGO at the after the close today and next week. Okay, at least we know for sure one is going to happen after the close. So here we go. Yeah, here we go, man. This is what we've been waiting for almost all week. We got 1 minute and 30 seconds. Woo, man, I'm cautiously optimistic. I'm preparing for the worst because this is I'm preparing for the worst if the manipulators get in here because I'm just pessimistic sometimes. Also, look at my God, I didn't even see this. Look at this. Look at this. You guys want to know what what fake walls are, baby? Do we have any beginner traders in here? Boom, baby, there you go. Fake wall, fake wall, fake wall, boom, 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 all fake walls. Okay, they're all shit. They're all bullshit and fake. And there's literally, you know for a fact that based on these freaking walls, there are people with a ton of shares that are acting like they're going to sell them in attempts to scare you and me and get our freaking cheap shares. That's what they want to do. 50 seconds. Oh my God, look at that sea of green. 753, baby, just broke the previous high. Here we go. Come on, keep pushing. Keep pushing it, baby. Come on. Come on, baby. Just bought 10 shares. Let's go. All right, I'm going to buy one share at the ask here. I'm going to buy one share at 753. Here we go. I'm going to buy one just for the cause. Okay, you guys did 753. There we go. One share. Boom. There we go, babe. I'm doing my part. There we go. 754. Just made a new high. Previous high, not intraday. Intraday high at 763. Ooh, we got 20 seconds. 20 seconds. Oh, 755. They know it's coming. Everybody knows they're about to buy millions of shares. Everyone's trying to get in before that. Oh my God, here we go. Here we go, man. This could be anything. 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7. Here we go, baby. Oh my God. 754. 754. Good volume. Yeah, volume is coming in. Look at that beautiful volume right there. Yeah, yes, sir. Oh my. Sporadic movements. Look at 18,000 shares bought. All right, here it is. Here it is. There it is. All right, here we go. Oh my God. Oh, baby. What the hell is this? We have millions. Millions of shares bought at 752. Millions of shares, and the price does nothing. How are we not going higher on this? Okay, let's try. This is about to be very rough. Okay, excuse my math here, but let me go ahead and try to estimate what this is. Okay, I know for a fact we have we probably have close to 10 million shares right here. All right, here we go. Okay, 500,000. Okay, 560,000. 1 million, 1 million, 2 million, 3.5 million, 4.5 million, 5.5 million, 6.5 million, 7.5 million, 8.5, 9.5, 10.5, 11.5. Oh my God, look at that beauty. Oh my God. Is this 20 million shares? What the hell is this 30 million shares? How many is this? What the hell is this after hours action? We just had 5 million shares. How many shares is that? 27 million? Look at this. Look at the after hours trading. Okay, you want to know what manipulation is? Okay, you're seeing it right now. What the hell was that quick wick down to freaking, oh my God. I think, somebody tell me the exact number. It's over 20 million. It's over 20 million. How are we not going way higher in after hours? This makes no sense. Oh, let me compare this to Microvision. Look at Microvision. They're getting selling. Oh, that's beauty. Okay, I love Microvision. Nothing against them, but oh my God. Nano Dimension, nothing. Nothing. Look at how many more shares was added to BNGO. Oh, I got to time someone out real quick. I got to put someone in timeout. You were in timeout, motherfucker. Yeah, timeout. Sorry, I enjoy putting people in timeout a little bit too much. All right, here we go. Yeah, but it's about 27 million. This is about 27 million shares bought at 752, and they are green. And remember, I got to explain what the time and sales actually mean. The green orders here on the time and sales, that means it helped the price go up. And it's a little bit complicated how it works, but essentially basic principle is that if it's green, it's helping the price go up, and it was bought at the ask or above the price, the current price. Typically, not always. Sometimes it's at the price, but yeah, those shares should have helped the price go up based on their green color right there. That's what it means. So you love to see it. Yeah, 27-ish. 27 million shares is what I'm hearing, and that math is too much for me. But yeah, above easily. Oh my God, look at that beauty. I've never seen anything like this on stream. Never seen anything like this. This after hours price action is absolute. I don't even know what to say about it. Look at the, oh my God, look at the volume. Oh, look, and the volume today is going to be crazy. 46 million volume today. That is double the 3-month average volume. And if we compare this to what we usually get, this is the most volume we have had since the CCO, the Chief Commercial Officer, who's Jason Pryor. Oh, it's beauty. Actually, okay, I guess since the day after that, technically, right? That's awesome, though. Oh my, what the heck is going on in the after hours, too? A ton of shares being traded in the after hours. What is going on? I'm assuming these are buys because, the funds that track it are going to be buying these. Oh my God, this is insane, man. Oh, it's glitching. Weeble's glitching again. Let me go to the 1-minute chart here. No, it's glitching. What the heck is this chart? I don't want that. Okay, I'll just keep on the 5-minute. Oh my gosh, 6 million shares traded in the after hours so far. Just in the after hours. I don't know what to say. This is crazy. Russell bought their shares. Yeah, I'm guessing this is the Russell 3000. They bought about 30 million shares almost. 27 million is what I'm hearing at 752. That's going to be their average, it looks like. 752. They bought. We're in. We've got Nano Nozzle news today. It's a beautiful day. What did we end the day up? 5%? Yeah, 5% in the green on the day. It's a beautiful day. I'm so tired right now. I'm hungry. I can't even talk right now, but I'm gonna I want to give everybody, while we actually have a good amount of viewers, this actually is breaking news. I know it's like, Brandon, what does this mean? Stay with me for just the next 5 minutes. I want to explain to everybody why this freaking new job listing is so damn important, and I want to tell you that no one else is going to tell you this shit, and why this shit is actually going to be what makes us millionaires long term if we're right about the company, or at least a lot of us millionaires. Okay, 5 hours ago, new listings. So stay with me. Give me 10 minutes to explain it. Give me 3 minutes to explain this. Okay, bioinformatics scientist, right? New listing for Bionano. If we go down here, One of the preferred skills and abilities is experience with next generation sequencing. That's what NGS stands for, and long read sequencing technologies. Now, if we look at this patent right here, let me go ahead and control F it real quick. 2016. Hold on. One second. Okay, hold on. I gotta go miscellaneous second. Oh God, I'm losing viewers. Hold on. I got the patent is up here. I gotta find it real quick. You know what? All right, I'm going to find it in a second. I'm going to lose a ton of viewers. I want to explain what it means first. Okay, so basically there was a patent in 2016. It was a sequencing field option, exercisability option for Bionano to do. You pair that in with all the other patents, and actually, you know what? Let me just go. Do I have this bookmarked? I don't. I'm an idiot. I don't have that bookmarked. I'll show you here in a second. But basically, we have a ton of patents, a ton of articles, a ton of job listings pointing to next generation sequencing and nano nozzle capabilities happening. And we also have we actually have a patent on the nanopore device, which is actually what it actually is going to be called, I guess. But we call it the nano nozzle. Basically, we're talking about sequencing capabilities for Bionano and what this would do to the stop price. If I'm right, okay, if we're right, if it's actually going to happen, it would send it an insane amount, okay? And also, if you just control F, SNV detection, okay? Where is it? Hold on, single nucleotide. Sorry. There's a quote by the CEO right here. Okay, where's that? I want to go to the actual quote here. Okay, here it is. This is quarter. No, where's the other one? Right here. CEO quarter 1, 2021. Okay, we also had an important patent issue that showed how different probes can be used to detect even more variants and possibly even single nucleotide variants. He's talking about nano nozzle, and we know that for a fact essentially because if you look up, why can I not find anything in here now? The May 24th, I swear to God, I freaking bookmarked this. There's a May 24th patent that was issued about nano nozzle, and that's the patent that he's talking about. That quote that I just talked about, and okay, I know it's complicated. I have a video here. I'll just, you know what? Since I can't find any links right now because I'm stupid, I'll just go ahead and link you. I'll just go ahead and give you the link for the video that actually explains what I'm trying very poorly to say. Okay, introduction to nano nozzle and Bionano sequencing technology. I'm going to link that in the chat right now because that is exactly what it's been. I mean, that's exactly what it is. Okay, this is why, and that Reddit post does it exactly right. Okay. Better than I could do, better than I'm trying to explain it right now. But essentially, ape language, there's a new product for Bionano that has been in the works for probably 5 years. And once that releases, it's going to go boom. Okay, the stop price is going to go boom. It's going to go up. I mean, once people know about it, I think it's going to go up an insane amount. Okay, we would just unexpectedly quit on me. Nice. Okay, yeah, we also have that article. Okay, what do you guys want to talk about first? I feel like we should just end it, and we should take last minute questions here and then end the stream because there's so much news here. I want to go over it in the video today so that everybody sees it. So I don't know. What do you guys think? The after hours. God, what is this? Weeble really needs to fix this glitch. This is annoying. Oh my God, the volume's insane. If anyone's just getting in it right now by any chance, about 27 million shares added to BNGO at the close today. Absolute insanity, man. Absolute insanity. Oh man, I can't even. I'm so tired. That video, even though this was like one of the shortest streams ever, I'm so tired now. Oh man. Oh. Whoo, baby. Okay, last minute questions. Let's get out of here. After hours, it looks like it's just barcoding, but whatever. I'll take the close. Yeah, I'll take it. Okay, we're up 5%. Russell 3000, their average is 752, about 27 million shares added at the close. It didn't move the price at all, which is very, very peculiar, but, it is what it is. Oh, gosh. Can you buy and sell in the pre and aftermarket? Yes, you can. If you use Weeble, you can do both. Yes. All right, Brandon, where were you today? I was at jury. I was at my college. I was doing stuff. Who the hell sold them those shares? LMAO. Yeah, that's a good question. Probably the broker had to give them a lot of them. All right, I'm closing on a good note. Brandon, get you some food. See you in the after hours. I'll see you tomorrow, my friend, and I'll see you on the video tonight. Yeah, of course, my friend. Maybe the price is delayed. I doubt it, but yeah, I guess maybe. Oh, man. He was practicing getting a girlfriend this morning. Yeah, I was being very unsuccessfully. Oh man, super suspicious. Price never moved. Yeah, typically I don't know why, but in the after hours, typically when there's shares added, in my experience, usually the price doesn't move in the after hours, which is very weird. I don't understand that, but that's typically what happens. At the end of the day, okay, whatever. We're getting there's way more shares that are trying to be bought than sold, and basic law of supply and demand. The more if there's going to be legitimately a million shares wanting to be bought and there's not that many being sold that are being able to being sold, it's going to go up, okay? And yeah, it's simple. I know. It's like everyone knows that already, but yeah. So it's weird. It's weird. After hours movement right now is insane. Market manipulation, anyone? Yeah, probably, okay? All right. Preferably split it into a bunch of shorter vids. Okay, I will. Can it be agreed in terms for it to not affect the stop price? Not really. Not really. If it's going to be a normal transaction, not really. I mean, I guess maybe there's a way that they could work out, but I don't think so. The volume was crazy. Look at the volume. This is the biggest 30-minute candle you will ever see on Bionano. Okay, I guess maybe not. Well, barely more. Barely more. I bet that was wow, that's weird. The 7th had a huge volume spike right there. Anyways, that is the biggest 5-minute volume candle you will ever see for Bionano, most likely. Or at least in the recent, at least that's the biggest one you'll see for a while. Institutional ownership. Institutional ownership is going to be the exact same because they don't do the filings until a while. They don't actually file the things for a while. Yeah, they won't file them for a while. These guys only take into account what's actually been filed, and they are not required to file their 13F forms for institutional transactions until 45 days after the current quarter ends. Next week is going to be good, I think. I think it is, too. If markets give us a chance, it will be a good week. Because earnings, guys, I don't want to get everybody excited. Make your own opinions. You know this. You know the deal. You know the tangent that we do. But we just, I mean, I like our setup. Fundamentally, I can't believe I'm saying this, but the stock in the company has gotten better fundamentally almost every single week since we started downtrending. And we're still over 50% lower than all-time highs, with the NASDAQ at all-time highs, with a short interest that is insanely high, with a bullish chart pattern. Nano also is almost confirmed. The setup right now is, you know, I mean, we're still up a lot from lows, but the setup right now is pretty damn good. Okay. Is that fair to say? I would say that's fair to say. Also, we just broke out of the descending wedge. There's not much more you can ask for. There's really not much more you can ask for. We just broke out of the descending wedge. Price target is well above $8, almost $9. So I like our setup right now. I don't like our after hours price actually because it's literally just manipulation. Brandon, I got the job. I'll be able to add shares before quarter 2 earnings. Oh, Mark, that's awesome. Wait, give me more details because I forgot exactly what you were talking about before. Give me more information. You were the person that was going on an interview. What was it? I forgot what it was. I'm sorry. I'm not good at remembering people's names. I'm sorry. There's too many people. All right. Technically, they could be sells. Yes, these are technically these are buys. Technically, that's what we call them because they're green. That's how everybody calls them. That's how if you look it up, if you look up articles on the time of sales, they're buys if they're green. But technically, every transaction has a buyer and a seller, right? So it's technically not a buy, but that's what we call them because essentially that's what they are. All right. Yeah, Russell buys are not included in the institutional ownership. No, this will skyrocket to. This will literally, guys, to give you some perspective, right, on what the institutional ownership is going to look like after today. This is going to be 60 million shares after this. This is going to increase by like 5%, if not 10%. Okay. I'm serious. Yeah, I'm serious. Yeah, there you go. I got hired, so I'll be able to buy more to get more BNGO shares. The beauty of being a senior in high school, you don't have to pay any bills, so you can just buy what you need to buy. Hell yeah, legendary, man. Look at the after hours. Yeah, I know. It's insane. It's insane. There's volume going on after hours as well. There's let's see, how many is that? Yeah, the volume after hours is huge as well. Right now, you're looking at about 7 million shares traded in the after hours, which is that's like the exact amount of shares that was traded during the entire market day 2 days ago, which is crazy to think about. I hope that makes sense. By the way, I can say that again if that didn't make sense. Oh man, I wish I wasn't so tired right now. New article, yeah, I know that's the new. Yeah, we've already actually looked at that. We're gonna go over that in the video today. We're gonna have. I think I'm gonna do it today. I think it's because I think we're gonna do videos about neo-nozzle, institution, the article, and the new presentations, and the price action technical analysis, and the Russell and everything. We're gonna do like 3 or 4, or maybe even 5. Hell, well, probably not that. That's just inefficient at that point. But we're gonna do that many videos tonight here pretty soon. So. I know. How does the stop price not move after that? Usually it doesn't move. I don't understand. I really don't understand why. If somebody knows why the stop price does not move when we're having millions of shares added, you tell me. because I don't know. I don't know. Brandon, if the more shares bought, the higher the price goes. So why did BNGO price could not go up? Well, I would say probably because typically that's just what happens historically. Plus, the after hours is weird, and obviously there's a proclivity for manipulation right after the after hours, and you can see with the price action, this is not natural price action. This is barcoding. This is false wicking up, and you've seen the price hit 0.0 in the after hours and then come back up. I hit 752 and then just come right back, and then the wick is gone. There's manipulation definitely going on right now. There's definitely dart pulls. There's definitely shorts. That stuff is all happening right now as we're speaking. You better bet your ass it has. All right. My theory, they didn't want after hours volume to pump the price. All the whales go in before the close. Well, they didn't buy. They actually bought after the close. You can see the tick, 1600.03. That's after the market close. See, look, okay, there's a wick right here, and then you know it's just gone. It's like what is this? A dart pool is a private exchange with a proclivity for damn high manipulation. What the hell is going on here? 300,000 shares bought at 752, or bought or sold technically, right? Well, technically both bought and sold, right? They're buying at 752. Very weird, very weird. We're gonna end the stream here. Last minute questions, and then we're gonna end the stream here. I'll have videos tonight explaining the insanity that we've had. But to sum it up, we've got nano-nozzle evidence, we've got new filings, we've got new news, and we got a ton of new presentations. And of course, the price action looks as bullish right now as it ever has been short term, I would say. All right. I'm using Webull, and the link for it is in the description if you want to use the Webull. That's the app. That's the desktop version. Thank you, Jason Smith. You're welcome, my friend. Thank you so much. Okay, have a great weekend. I will make a sample of T-shirt and a video later, dude. All right, awesome, man. Awesome. You don't have to do that. I can make a shirt, but yeah, thank you so much. Do you think ARK will be buying today? Yes. No, I don't know. I don't know. I wish. Probably not. They're too stubborn. I think ARK is too prideful to admit their mistake. People like that, I don't know ARK personally, but just from what I've seen, I just don't see them being able to admit their mistake on BNGO. They're too prideful. They're not able to admit they were wrong. I don't see that happening. All right. With that being said, thank y'all so much. They think they're geniuses, which they are, but you know, humility is a great trait that they maybe don't have. Anyways, that being said, thank y'all so much, man. All right. Thank you all so much. All right, we're getting out of here. I'll end it with the portfolio. We're making several videos tonight explaining what the hell happened. Me and the trading password. And also, you know what? Oh, that's my other account. That's my play account. Look at that. That's beauty right there. Mars up 13%. We haven't even talked about the short-term trades. AMC trade and Microvision trade are getting killed, and the Bionano and the other one, the Mara trade, are going well. Anyways, that being said, I'll end you with I'll end it with the link to the nano-nozzle video. Please, if you don't understand nano-nozzle, please go watch the video. It's good quality. It's quick. Obviously, it's free. It's got everything. Go watch that, man. That is the nano-nozzle video. I'm going to pin that right there, okay? That's pinned in the chat right there for you. So go watch that video. With that being said, thank y'all so much. This is not financial advice. That's the portfolio right there. Not financial advice. I will see y'all in the next one.